Good. So, Data Engineering Professional of the Year. Some cue music there. Good, good. This award goes to a data engineer who has shown a material and value impact of her constituents through managing and organizing data and data pipelines, while also keeping an eye out for trends or inconsistencies that will impact business goals. There was a lot of text as well. And this has not been sponsored by anybody, so Saranda, you will be giving this. Can you please open the envelope? I like this epic music behind it. Do you feel any suspense in this? Does it feel like an award ceremony? Cool. And the winner is?
I'm so glad. Lotte Thomsen from Grundfors.
I'm really sad that I cannot be there and participate in the event. It really sounded like a good event. Yeah, thank you, Corona. So I would like to thank Hyperight for creating these prizes and the hard work for creating a data community in the Nordic countries. I really do believe that this will make a difference from the Nordic industries and be successful in data transformation and data-driven company. So thank you for this. And I would also like to thank Grundfors for helping me in the transformation from coming from academia into industry, where there was a lot is a lot for me to learn in this transformation. So thank you to Grundfors for this. And last, I would like to thank all the people who have voted for me. That is really great. So thank you all.
Yeah, cool. Good. Actually, Christian, start filming. We have the film. I will send it to you. No problem. But come on stage. So we have actually Christian Rasmussen, who is actually one of our dear friends. He's coming from Grundfors. He came from Denmark. He's working very closely with Lotte. So I think that you can actually accept the prize instead of her and share some words. I'm just, trying to win some time before the next course comes in. So.
I'll take this home for you, Lotte. I hired you. I'm so proud. Oh, yeah. So yeah, okay. But I think it's amazing what we did in Grundfos, and I actually learned so much from you. So thanks a lot for that. Let's bring back some more back to this community. Thanks a lot.